Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I'm back to share a super cute little project with you. Welcome back, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick little project share. And if you're new, it's wonderful to be here with you. I created a storage box mini. I do have the full entire class available on my website, and I'll leave it as a link down in the description. For this, I did use this super cute Paper Studio watercolor patterns, and it's got really cute foil accents in it, and I just thought it would be such a wonderful rainbow blast party to just make it. So right here on the front, we do have this really super cute shaker that I just made out of this amazing iridescent paper. Isn't that just magical? I just thought it would be so much fun to do, and I have every different color in there of sequins. Thank you so much, Suzanne, for introducing me to this incredible paper. Also, I have the tutorial trailer for this book playing after this little walkthrough. We have a magnetic closure right here, and this book holds more than 100 photos. I am just, right off the bat, you're gonna see this beautiful little storage little area, but it also displays the photos. So I think it's so cute. I just hand watercolored my own little flowers and leaves throughout this little book, and I just had so much fun. That's my little river right there. Now right down here at the bottom, we have like an awesome little belly band, and I just made like a little tree right there and some more leaves. A 4x6 uncropped picture can go right on there. You could even journal here or even put tiny little photographs. Isn't that so much fun? So I actually counted the stack of pictures that are in here, and I've been totally wanting to use this rainbow ribbon, and there are seriously 100 pictures in here. Okay, so this is 100. Oh my goodness, how cute. And this is the interior of the flap right here with some more iridescent paper, and then this is the box up close so you can see the inside. This is something you can do if you've never made a mini album or even a scrapbook from scratch. This is one you can do. It works up in just really a day. You're just gonna be so happy with yourself. These pictures just fit right back in here, and you really honestly don't need a stack this big, but if you took lots of pictures on one of your travels and you wanna just store them all in one place, this is where you can do it. And you'll notice right here, this little angle pocket has a couple little inserts inside there. And again, another little watercolor flower I did. And this is so cute because on the back you have photo space, and look at that amazing paper. And then, of course, you can stick your photo inside there. And I just love it, a cute little Polaroid, and then just a cute little, oh my gosh. And you can choose as many or as few of these as you'd like to put inside your book. Totally customizable. I just had so much fun. I added my own little journaling lines there as well. So those are the inserts for that one. And there's one more of these. I just think this is so adorable. We've got some acetate going on and a cute little double frame and a little flip book. Wow. And if you haven't heard of coupons that come out, you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook to get notified so you can get a deal off your first class. Look at this. Oh my goodness. How fun. It doesn't get cooler than that paper. I'm thrilled. You can stuff whatever it is that you'd like in here. Again, we have space here and gusseted pockets. Again, this holds over 100 pictures. And it's just so easy to make. I had so much fun putting this together. It's truly a blast to craft with you. And if you become a subscriber, you get instant access to every single class I've ever created. And I believe that's going to be over 60 coming right here soon. I got a new book coming your way. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Hello friend, it's just excellent to be here with you. Welcome to the Storage Box Mini Album class. I am super stoked to teach this one. It comes together much faster than you'd think. I will also be using the Fiskars paper trimmer, super lightweight, portable, and easy to store. And then I've got a simple pencil, and the back of that one is this. Look at how cute. You'll notice there's a stiff side, and then there's an actual bendy side. Just start at the bottom, stick it, cover that tape, and use the tape as that guide, and let the rest fall. So I like to keep about 2.5 or so fingers in this little circle here, and then I load my tape on the side. And again, you could put as many or as few strips of this adhesive in here as you'd like. And I'm twisting this in to where this is straight and this comes down at an angle. That's exactly what we need. I'm going to go ahead and start right here down at the bottom, keeping this lined up generally with the edge of the chipboard. The last 3 pieces are our G's, 1 11/16 by 2. So 1 11/16, and then smack dab in the center, even pressure, lift up, and if it's not perfect, that's okay. 1/8 of an inch border, as you can see, this guy comes in. 1/8 of an inch border, as you can see. Oh my gosh, this is looking so great. And now we've got the back, which is just going to be a little strip, 7/8 of an inch by 4 1/4. I think I want to keep it consistent, so I'm going to